Dear students, welcome to our class on JRF, SRF, Net 2022. Updated figures of, in other words, updated statistical figures of different agricultural commodities. So these are the figures that I have collected from the sources of Government of India. So the latest figures that are available for agricultural commodities are as follows. In this class, we try to understand first bit. Seeds, SEEDS, seeds are concerned. Production of breeder seed. Production of breeder seed in 1000 quintals. Production of breeder seed in 1000 quintals. For the year 2019-20 is 92.7 thousand quintals of breeder seed is produced. For which year? 2019-20. That is the latest figure available. Second thing, production of foundation seed. Production of foundation seed. It is in lakh quintals. Breeder seed in 1000 quintals. How much? 92.7. Now, as far as production of foundation seed is concerned, in lakh quintals, the figure is 22.25 lakh quintals. Now let us see what is with reference to the distribution of certified or quality seeds. Certified or quality seeds, the figure is 383.72. 383.72. So these are the figures with reference to seeds. So let us see with reference to NPK, major nutrients, NPK. Now let us see in 1000 tons. NPK individually and collectively in 1000 tons. Now let us see the figure with reference to nitrogen. Okay, in 1000 tons, the figure is 19,100,000 tons. 19,100,000 tons of nitrogen. P, phosphorus, 7662 thousand tons with reference to P. K2O, in other words, in 1000 tons, 2607. So altogether NPK 29369 thousand tons. 29369,000 tons NPK together. So these are the latest figures. Let us see, this bit is most likely to appear. What is that bit? Per hectare NPK per hectare. How much is used in India? It is an interesting figure. In some books you will find 134 kg per hectare. Now exact figure you wanted, 133.44. That means approximately 134 kgs per hectare of NPK is being used in India. For your academic interest, I repeat these figures. N, all in 1000 tons. N, 19,100. P, 7662. K, 2607. All figures are in 1000 tons. Now NPK together 29369 thousand tons per hectare. How much is the NPK? That is the major nutrients that are used by the farmers are simple figure 134 kg per hectare. If you want exact figure, 133.44 kg per hectare. Now let us see with reference to rice. This year it is going to appear, at least one bit is going to appear in the next 2 minutes of my description with reference to rice. Paddy, wonderful thing. What is the wonderful thing with reference to rice? See, from being world's largest importer, to now largest exporter is India. 60 years back, 6 decades back, we were, Indian population were deficient in food grains. Now India is the most important exporter of rice. This bit may come. Second thing which I would like to see is I read from 1 to 10 countries who are exporting rice globally. Number one, India. We are number one in the world for what? Exporting of rice. So India 15 million tons. Can you imagine? 15 million tons we are exporting. That means 33% of total exports in the world. India just holds that distinction. Next best is Thailand with 6%. Thailand with just 6%. India is 33%. Now, so Thailand's share is 13%, whereas India is 33% of rice export. How much is the money we are getting? Just hold your breath. India earns $8 billion. $8 billion with reference to export of rice India gets. Now, what is the next country? Next country is Thailand with just 6 million tons. Ours is 15 million tons. Who is third? Pakistan with 4 million tons. It accounts for only 9% of global export of rice. So first 1, 2, 3, India with 33%, 13% is Thailand, Pakistan is just 9%. How much? India 15 million tons, Thailand 6 million tons, Pakistan just 4 million tons. Now see what is with reference to the other important points which I told you half minute back, that 2 bits or at least 1 bit will come. In that I would like to share with you again that over the 6 decades India had done tremendous progress from a state of deficiency or insufficiency of food grains, particularly rice, to exporting. So it's a phenomenal growth. How it had happened? Now India has a lion's share of 33% in the world's rice export of 45 million tons. 45 million tons, 15 million tons, 15 is from India. Now, in terms of value, I told already, in terms of value, it is 8 billion, not million, 8 billion, B-I-L-L-I-O-N, 8 billion US dollars we are exporting. It is 2.7 times. 2.7 times of spices export of 3 billion. In the as far as spices are concerned, we were exporting 3 billion US dollars. Now it is rice 8 billion. This bit is likely to come. Now, in the multiple choice questions, the possibility is what made India to have such a stride, such a wonderful growth in the rice production and its exports. Now, there are 8 points which I would like to share with you. Number 1, hard-working farmers and their diverse cultural practices. Hard-working farmers and their diverse cultural practices. High-yielding varieties, irrigation, fertilizers, crop protection chemicals, excellent irrigation facilities, storage facilities, government policies. Finally, post-harvest pest control practices. In addition to these things, communication and transport facilities have helped India to achieve this distinction. Now, so let us see some more figures with reference to tractors. In the year 2019-20, 8,80,000 tractors were produced, 8,80,000. With reference to power tillers, 45,000 power tillers are produced in India, or you can say manufactured in India. Now, as far as categories of holdings, land holding categories are concerned, this bit is likely to come. There are 5 categories of land holdings. Of them, number 1 is the marginal farmers. Who is a marginal farmer? Marginal farmers are those farmers who possess less than 1 hectare or the marginal farmers. Small farmers, 1 to 2 hectares. Semi-medium farmers, 2 to 4 hectares. Medium farmers, 4 to 10 hectares. large farmers 10 and above hectares, they are the large farmers. Once again, for your academic interest, since these are figures, I would like to read very slowly. Category of land holdings: marginal, less than 1 hectare; small, 1 to 2 hectares; semi-medium, 2 to 4 hectares; medium, 4 to 10 hectares; large, 10 hectares and above. Now, ceilings, land ceilings in the year 1972, as recommended in 1972, according to that, the land ceiling was irrigated land with 2 crops. Irrigated land with 2 crops. Land ceiling is 10 to 18 hectares. 10 to 18 hectares. 10 to 18 acres. Irrigated land with 1 crop, 27 acres. Dry land, 54 acres. These are all in acres. Once again, for your academic interest, as recommended in 1972 guidelines, the land ceiling is irrigated land with 2 crops, 10 to 18 acres. Irrigated land with only 1 crop, 27 acres. Dry land crop, 54 acres. Now, proposed in agenda notes of 1985 of Regional Minister Conference, the irrigated land was earlier it was 10 to 18 acres. Now 12 acres irrigated land with 2 crops, irrigated land with only 1 crop, 18 acres, earlier it was 27, dry land, earlier it was 54, then in the year 1985, it is 30 acres. Now, but different states have different ceilings. Say for example, Karnataka and UP, more than the national average ceiling. Why? Because land classification. In case of Himachal Pradesh and in case of Rajasthan, what happens is there are in Himachal Pradesh it is hilly area, in Rajasthan it is a desert area. So that's why slightly more land ceiling figures are there. Okay, that's what I would like to share. And very interesting statistics of livestock production. Very interesting. Please, in the first one with reference to cattle in India, 194 million cattle are there. Buffalo, 110 million, 110 million. Even in the world, we are number 1 in the buffalo population. How much is it? 110 million buffaloes are there. Now, total bovines, that is cattle and buffaloes, total bovines, it is 304 million bovines are there in India. Okay, once again, for your academic interest, cattle 194 million, buffalo 110 million, total bovine 304 million. Now, with reference to sheep and goats are exactly double of sheep. How much is sheep? 74 million. How much is goats? 74 into 2 plus 1. So 149 million population of goats are there. Total livestock, let us see the total livestock, 536 million. Total livestock is 536 million. And poultry, 852 million. Poultry, 852 million. Once again, for your academic interest, since these are figures, I would like to read that cattle, livestock population, cattle 194 million, buffalo 110 million, total bovine 304 million, sheep 74 million, goats 149 million, total livestock 536 million, and poultry 852 million are there in India. Now let us see all India production of milk, eggs and wool. All India production of milk, eggs and wool. Milk, these are the figures for 2019-20. This is the latest figure from Government of India sources. Now 2019-2020, milk in million tons. Milk in million tons, 198 million tons of milk. Eggs, it is billion, billion, billion eggs, 114 billion eggs, 114 billion eggs. Wool in million cages, 37 37. So once again, since these are numbers and figures, once again I would like to read that, okay, for the year 2019-20, the milk availability in million tons is 198 million tons. Eggs in billion, not million, billion, 114. The last figure for today's class, wool in million cages. Wool in million kgs is 37 million kgs of wool is there. This is what I would like to share with you in today's class. We meet in the next class. Thanking you very much for your very patient hearing.